Hi, everyone. It's great to have you with us again at Do You Know English? I'm Vitalina. I'm truly happy you're here. Before we dive in, hit subscribe so you won't miss new lessons and you'll always be able to switch on your English with us. Grab a comfy seat, take a deep breath, and smile with me for a second. Today, we're opening a fresh chapter, how to speak about the future using the verb to be. By the end, you will be confident saying where you will be, how you will be, and who you will be with. Clear, simple, natural.
Surprise, it's me, Jake. I've got my notebook ready, my brain awake, and my cup definitely not empty. I will be focused. Probably.
Friends, first, how will be works in real life. Then, contractions like I'll be, you'll be. After that, quick practice with places, roles, and feelings. Finally, a mini scene with Tom, Penny, and Lucy. One more great thing. Will be works the same for every subject. I will be, you will be, he will be, she will be, it will be, we will be, they will be. No changes, no endings, just will be for all.
Nice. One rule for everyone. I will be happy about that.
Exactly. The key idea is tiny. Subject plus will be plus complement. In natural speech, we use contractions. I'll be, you'll be, he'll be, she'll be, it'll be, will be, they'll be.
I'll be, you'll be, he'll be, she'll be, it'll be, will be, they'll be. Smooth.
Great. So we will use both the short, informal, and neutral formal forms, but friends, you can use whichever you prefer. However, we will use the full form will be more often. Let's warm up with time markers. Tomorrow, tonight, next week, in an hour, soon. Ready?
Ready.
I will be at the library tomorrow.
I will be at the library tomorrow.
You will be free tonight.
You will be free tonight.
It will be quiet in the morning.
It will be quiet in the morning.
He will be online in an hour.
He will be online in an hour.
We will be ready soon.
We will be ready soon.
She will be busy next week.
She will be busy next week.
They will be on the train at 9.
They will be on the train at 9.
Nice. Now let's invite our friends.
Tom, Penny, and Lucy, the grammar squad.
Tom will be early than usual. Penny will be calm before the test. Lucy will be in the studio tomorrow morning.
And I will be shocked if Tom is early.
We will be optimistic. Quick pronunciation tip. I'll be, like I'll be. We'll be, like we'll be. They'll be, like they'll be.
I'll be, we'll be, they'll be. My tongue will be okay.
Let's build natural lines with places, jobs, and feelings. We'll use short, informal forms. Repeat after me, then make your own.
Go for it.
I'll be at home after 9. You'll be the host of our call. He'll be happy with the result. She'll be the team lead next month. It'll be a long day. We'll be on time. They'll be proud of their project.
I'll be at home after 9. You'll be the host. He'll be happy. She'll be the team lead. It'll be a long day. We'll be on time. They'll be proud.
Approving, clear and confident. Now, one common mistake, mixing an action verb after will be. Give me a wrong sentence, I will fix it.
I will go to the gym tomorrow.
With to be, choose a state or place. I will be at the gym tomorrow. If you want an action, drop be. I will go to the gym. For this lesson, we focus on will be.
Got it. I will be at the gym tomorrow.
Beautiful. You've mastered the affirmative with will be. Next, we'll switch to the negative form, won't be, will not be, and keep it just as smooth and simple.
The future no. I'm ready.
Structure is simple. Subject plus won't be plus complement. It's the same for all subjects. I won't be, you won't be, he won't be, she won't be, it won't be, we won't be, they won't be.
I won't be, you won't be, he won't be. Easy rhythm.
Let's add time markers. Repeat after me. I won't be at home tonight.
I won't be at home tonight.
You won't be late tomorrow.
You won't be late tomorrow.
He won't be online in the evening.
He won't be online in the evening.
She won't be free next week.
She won't be free next week.
It won't be quiet in the morning.
It won't be quiet in the morning.
We won't be ready before 9.
We won't be ready before 9.
They won't be in the office on Friday.
They won't be in the office on Friday.
Nice. Quick tip. Won't sounds like won't. Short and light.
Won't. Won't. Okay, my tongue won't panic.
Now bring in our friends. Tom won't be sleepy tomorrow. He'll be early. Penny won't be stressed. She'll be calm before the test. Lucy won't be at home. She'll be in the studio.
And I won't be surprised if Tom is late anyway.
We'll be kind. Common mistake time. Don't mix action after be. Listen, I won't be go to the gym is wrong. Say, I won't go to the gym, action, or I won't be at the gym, place or state. For this lesson, keep won't be plus place, role, or description.
Got it. I won't be at the gym tomorrow. I'll be at the library.
Perfect. Tiny role play. Planning the morning.
Let's do it.
I'll be in the classroom at 9. You?
I won't be late. I'll be there at 5 to 9.
Tom?
He won't be at the door. I'll remind him.
Penny?
She won't be nervous. She'll be calm.
Lucy?
She won't be offline. She'll be behind the camera.
Excellent. Final repeat, quick rhythm.
Ready.
I won't be busy tonight. You won't be alone. He won't be upset. She won't be late. It won't be difficult. We won't be tired. They won't be confused.
I won't be dizzy tonight. You won't be alone. He won't be upset. She won't be late. It won't be difficult. We won't be tired. They won't be confused.
Perfect control of negatives. Next up, questions with will be and short answers. Will you be? Will she be? Yes, I will. No, I won't.
Question time unlocked.
Structure. Will plus subject plus be plus complement. The form is the same for all subjects. Will I be? Will you be? Will he, she, it be? Will we be? Will they be? Short answers are clean and friendly. Yes, I will. No, I won't. Yes, you will. No, you won't. Yes, he, she, it will. No, he, she, it won't. Yes, we will. No, they won't.
Yes, I will. No, I won't. Same pattern for everyone. Easy.
Let's practice. I'll ask, you answer naturally.
Ready.
Will you be free at 6?
Yes, I will. After the call.
Will Tom be early tomorrow?
No, he won't. But he'll try.
Will Penny be calm before the test?
Yes, she will. She's prepared.
Will Lucy be in the studio in the morning?
Yes, she will. At 9.
Will it be quiet during the lesson?
I hope it will.
Nice. Now a fix-it round. I'll say a wrong question. You correct it.
Go.
Will you to be there at 7?
Will you be there at 7?
Do you will be ready?
Will you be ready?
Will she be in home?
Will she be at home?
Perfect. Remember, after will, we use be. No to, no extra endings.
Will plus subject plus be. Locked in.
Mini role play. Will we be in the library at 10?
Yes, we will.
Will Tom be at the door to greet everyone?
He won't unless I call him twice.
Good plan. Will Penny be our timekeeper?
Yes, she will. Strict and fair.
Will Lucy be behind the camera?
She will, and the video will be great.
Will you be online at 8?
Yes, I will.
Will Tom be nervous?
No, he won't.
Will Penny be early?
Yes, she will.
Will Lucy be busy tonight?
No, she won't.
Will it be difficult?
It won't.
Excellent. Now you ask me.
Will you be available after class?
Yes, I will, for 15 minutes.
Will the quiz be short?
It will. 10 questions.
Will my homework be okay if I send it tomorrow?
It will, and I'll be happy to check it.
Perfect.
Final rhythm.
Let's go.
Will you be there?
Yes, I will.
Will he be on time?
No, he won't.
Will we be confident?
Yes, we will.
Will they be happy?
Yes, they will.
Great work. You can build questions and short answers with will be easily. Okay, speed round. Short answers only. I'll ask, you answer fast.
Ready.
Will you be busy tonight?
No, I won't.
Will Tom be tired after work?
Yes, he will.
Will Penny be at home?
Yes, she will.
Will it be sunny tomorrow?
I hope it will.
Will we be ready for the quiz?
Yes, we will, because we practiced.
Great rhythm, Jake. Okay, friends, let's review the structure before we finish. Affirmative. I will be, you will be, he will be, she will be, it will be, we will be, they will be. Negative. I won't be, you won't be, he won't be, she won't be, it won't be, we won't be, they won't be. Questions. Will I be? Will you be? Will he be? Will she be? Will it be? Will we be? Will they be? Short answers. Yes, I will. No, I won't.
I will be, you will be, he will be. We won't be confused anymore.
That's the goal. Friends, now it's your turn. Write 3 short sentences in the comments. One with will be, one with won't be, and a question with will.
For example, I'll be at work tomorrow. I won't be tired. Will you be ready for class?
Perfect example.
Or, I'll be happy. I won't be late. Will you bring coffee?
Friends, thank you for learning with us today. You were amazing, as always.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Do You Know English?
And turn on the bell so you don't miss our next lessons.
Because in the future, we'll be even better, right, teacher?
We will be, Jake, and so will you, friends.
Waving my hand. See you soon!
Take care and keep learning. The future will be bright with English.